Welcome to episode 3 of Arlingtours, the series where I take you on a walking tour of every neighborhood in Arlington, Virginia. Arlington is the smallest county in the state of Virginia, yet it's one of the most populous. Today, we're in the Green Valley neighborhood, one of Arlington County's historically black neighborhoods. It's proving to be a teeny little community at the south end of the county. I typically talk about these neighborhoods in present tense, but today we're talking about the past. I found the Green Valley neighborhood while filming the Shirlington episode. If you haven't seen that video, please be sure to check it out. Shirlington and Green Valley are neighbors, and according to the map, Jenny Dean Park is actually located in Green Valley. It began as the only park for black Arlingtonians when the county was segregated. Jenny Dean Park is where black baseball clubs would play during that time. In 2023, the Green Valley Civic Association was granted $20,000 for a neighborhood history preservation project. They selected 17 landmarks, created a virtual and walking tour of the neighborhood, and offered neighborhood history preservation workshops. They also digitized old newspapers, photographs, and other resources, all of which can be found on their website. Today, we're taking the Green Valley walking tour. I'm going to show you some highlights, but not everything, because when you take this tour on your own, I want some things to be a surprise. Hey y'all.
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
We're doing all right.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you're doing out here and maybe how long you've been doing it?
Okay, so we're out here, we're selling fried fish, sandwiches, whiting and croakers, also baby cakes and soft shell crab sandwiches as well. The name of our business is the Penny Pincher. Yes, we are based out of Arlington.
Green Valley or?
Yes,
Green Valley for life.
Yes.
From then to now and beyond.
How long have you been in Green Valley? Besides all your life.
From then to now and beyond.
All my life personally. We have been here all this life. But we've been here for, me personally, it's been about 17 years.
Have you seen any changes in the community?
Yeah, there have been some changes. Growing up, there was Green Valley Pharmacy with Doc Muse. It's no longer open. He has passed away since then. During that time, we also had Lucky 7 and the community center for with John Robinson that was down in the valley, which that building is no longer standing. So those are some things that have changed since I've been here in Green Valley.
Okay, so it's just you, last woman standing.
Not exactly, but yeah, but there have been some changes, some good changes, but definitely some growth since then.
Hey buddy, how are you?
Okay, tell us, what are you looking forward to most?
I'm looking forward to, I guess, everybody coming together. There have been some changes as far as, I guess, dynamic with the neighborhood, but just for everybody to just come together and just be one, and just get to know each other and understand each other. So for right now, you'll be able to find us at the farmers market, which is held on Fridays, which is 4 to 7, which is in the John Robinson Town Square. Some Sundays, you'll be able to find us here at Macedonia Baptist Church. And also, we're working on a brick and mortar location, so that will be coming soon. So we'll have a stable place for you all to be able to find us as well.
And we got a food truck coming too.
That's coming as well.
And what's your favorite thing to eat?
My favorite thing to eat is probably a white sandwich or a soft shell crab sandwich.
And how you take it?
Huh?
What do you want on it, or how should I order it?
By itself.
Just by itself, just bread. Okay. Thank you so much.
When you go down here to the end of the street, you'll see the big gold statue.
Yeah, saw it. Free.
If you make the right,
and
go to the corner. If you look across the street, there's 2 houses.
It's 2 houses.
And there's a porta potty there. But the gate is locked and nobody can use it. They gave us one, but it's on the top of the hill. Nobody can get up the hill if they gotta go to the bathroom. So it's kind of counterproductive. I got an email going with the board.
I see what you're saying.
But we need some push.
Green Valley is one of Arlington's oldest historically black neighborhoods. It was established in the mid-1800s by formerly enslaved people seeking freedom and opportunity. It was originally known as the Nauck. The area grew around land purchased by Levi and Sarah Ann Jones, who helped lay its foundations. Over time, it became a vibrant, self-sustaining community with homes, churches, and businesses. In 2020, the neighborhood officially embraced its historic name, Green Valley, honoring its deep roots and legacy. Today, it remains a proud symbol of resilience and cultural heritage in Arlington, Virginia. The borders for this neighborhood are Walter Reed Drive to the west, Army-Navy Country Club to the north and east, and the 4 Mile Run Drive area to the south. South Glebe Road also dissects this neighborhood from north to south. It's hills and homes, y'all, and primarily single-family homes, which is in sharp contrast to the 2 neighborhoods that we've seen so far. There are only a few developments of condos, townhomes, and apartments in Green Valley because it's mostly single-family homes with yards and driveways. And another black neighborhood fixture, churches. Roll the churches.
This train is a clean train. This train is a clean train. Everybody ride it in Jesus' name. This train is a clean train. This train. You know this train don't carry no liars. This train. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no liars, no false pretenders, no backbiters. This train is a clean train. This train, you know this train don't carry no jokers. This train don't carry no jokers. This train.
Green Valley isn't just another Arlington neighborhood. It has a real history behind it. It was established by black residents who had no other choice. When they were shut out of white-only neighborhoods, communities, restaurants, businesses, everything, they had to create their own. So they had black taxi stands, hospitals, grocery stores, farmers markets, everything. While other parts of the county were getting investments, resources, funding, neighborhoods like this one were often left behind, which is why we haven't seen multiple grocery stores and why current residents are still struggling for access to resources like restrooms. Otherwise, I love Green Valley. It's cozy, it's welcoming, it's quiet, and it's full of longtime residents who know each other and who have seen this community grow and change. Honestly, if you like a neighborhood with heart, where you can see history in the streets and you can build your future, then you would love Green Valley.
I definitely recommend taking the walking tour because there's no way I can fit everything there was to see in this one video. If you like this community or learn something new, please give this video a like so I know to keep going. And most importantly, thank you for watching and thank you for walking with me today. I'll see you in the next one.